Hello my friends, today we're going to cook honey cake. This is to my friends, my birds and friends going to be helping me. And you're going to love it and enjoy it. Just fascinating. Oh, it's so adorable. So cute. Hi guys, and of course you mister just eating off the grid. Look at you. Is it good? Is it good? You're approving? My chef. All right. Soma, Sam, you gotta wait, baby. Oi, 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 oi. You just first bite has gotta be yours, of course. Oh my goodness. That's the cake. Hey, Soma. Oi, oi, oi. Oh boy, I guess let him help. Okay, go ahead. Let's see how good it is. It's very moist and very tasty. That honey, I can taste it. Oh my goodness, it's very delicious. With coffee, okay, very good. Okay, that's enough. Oh my goodness, baby. All right, I guess cake is a thumbs up. Thank you guys. I hope you'll enjoy.